Self-reliance is a valuable trait that enables individuals to confidently make decisions and rely on their own skills and resources to navigate life. Being self-reliant involves developing a strong sense of independence, resilience, and the ability to manage one's own needs without excessive dependence on others. This quality is not only empowering but also essential for personal growth, stability, and achieving one's goals. Here is how one can cultivate self-reliance in various aspects of life. Financial independence. Learn to manage finances wisely by budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding financial basics. Financial self-reliance means you can support yourself and make decisions without financial pressure from others. Practical skills. Acquire practical skills like cooking, basic home repairs, and first aid. These skills ensure you can take care of yourself and your living space without always needing to rely on others. Problem-solving skills enhance your ability to think critically and solve problems efficiently. This involves being resourceful, thinking creatively, and making decisions independently, especially in challenging situations. Self-awareness. Understand your emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and triggers. Self-awareness allows you to navigate complex social interactions and personal decisions with a clear sense of identity. Emotional regulation. Learn to manage your emotions effectively. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and reflective journaling can help in developing emotional resilience and stability. Confidence. Build confidence by setting small goals and achieving them. Confidence grows when you see yourself successfully completing tasks and making decisions that align with your values and aspirations. Cultivating intellectual independence, continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning whether through formal education, self-study, or practical experiences. This enhances your ability to think independently and stay informed. Critical thinking. Practice questioning norms and analyzing information critically. This skill is crucial for making informed decisions and not just accepting information at face value. Building social independence, healthy relationships, foster relationships that are supportive but not codependent. Healthy relationships respect individuality and encourage personal growth. Networking and community involvement. Engage with a community or network that aligns with your interests and values. This provides a support system while encouraging independence. Goal setting. Define clear, achievable goals that motivate you to take action. Goals give direction and purpose, essential for self-reliant living. Self-motivation. Develop internal motivation to pursue your goals without needing external validation or encouragement. Becoming self-reliant is a journey that involves enhancing your skills, fostering emotional strength, cultivating intellectual independence, and building social networks. By developing these aspects of self-reliance, you equip yourself to face life's challenges with confidence and poise. The process not only fosters personal freedom and independence but also contributes to your overall well-being and success. Embrace the path of self-reliance. It is indeed a cornerstone to a fulfilling and empowered life.